Welcome back to Probity Cooperative Management Software. In our earlier tutorial, we've discussed how to log in, how to view the dashboard, the settings, the registration, category, communication, receivable. And this class will be starting from payment, contribution, loan, store, investment, and account. Okay, now we'll go back to our website, which is the www.probitycoop.com, and go to payment, which is where we are starting today. This is where we had our payment PV number, reference number, which medium is the member or the staff paying. Is it by cash, bank transfer, check, or POS? How much is it paying? Which account is to be debited, or which asset is it paying with, or which investment, which property? We can scroll down to view the multiple options we have, and which asset or which investment or which account is it crediting. And we have the particulars, we have the payment date. If we want to add any notes, we can. Then we'll put add payment. Then we have contributions, contribution schedule. This is the schedule of the contribution, those that are due. So we write due on the status. You can export to Excel for reference purpose. And we have add contribution. If we have the contribution on an Excel sheet, we can import. If we don't, then we select month, we select year, staff ID, name, which year, which month, how much, which date. Okay, that's for that. Then we add payment. Under contribution, we still have list of contributions where we see the list of all the members' contribution. Under the same contribution, we have end contribution deduction. This is where the admin can end contribution deduction for a particular member or staff. Put the detail of the member, then end contribution. We have my contribution. This is for the person that is logged in. If you are an ESCO or a member, once you log in and go to my contribution, you see all your contributions here. Okay, then we have loan. We have request loan. This is where we request loan, right here. List request loan. Then we have request loan. We have list approved loan to show all the approved loans here. Then declined loans, we show the declined loan. Loan disbursement, this is when all the requested loan will be distributed accordingly for those that are qualified. Then we have loan repayment, where members repay their loan. This is where we have the list of those that have repaid their loan. Then we have consumable repayment. If you want to repay your loan with probably your assets or things you have in store. Okay, investment, we have a list of investments. We have add investment, we have property. Okay, you can add your investment here, select the investment, principal amount, investment amount, starting date, then the ending date. Then you can add the investment that is for under investment. You can add property subscriber, subscriber payment. Okay, then we have store, request list, request product. If you want to request product from the store, since from the store you can request, then you can pay subsequently. Then here we have settings, which we've talked about in our previous class, and we have accounts here. Then we have quick view. Quick will give us all the breakdown of the accounts. We have the memorandum ledger, contribution deduction, we have the registration deduction, we have the register staff here, we have loan amortization, we have loan disbursement, as I discussed earlier. And if you go through all this, we'll see exit member, we have cooperative ledger, property, we have purchase, we have sales reports, balance sheet, trial balance, cash flow, income. Thank you for listening.